Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video once again I'm telling about you the Shiba token. And this time in the cryptocurrencies, I think the first position of the Shiba token in the cryptocurrencies, over and over jumping, over and over pumping occurs in the Shiba token. I hope that Shiba token make millionaire in 2021. The price is occur in the Shiba token absolutely very high. I know that yesterday for a later time fast occur in the Shiba token, but and the last that is the latest update of Shiba token. At this time I'm showing you the live price of the Shiba token on the screen. The only and only the over and over jumps occur in the Shiba token from the previous latest time. As you can see here, at this time the price is occur in the Shiba token at this time as 0.00029 USD dollar. Absolutely the price is increasing very fastly friends. And friends, remember if you are new to my channel, so please click the subscribe button. Please I request all of you, if you listen my voice, all my Shiba holders, please click the subscribe button and like this video. I know you subscribe my channel, that is why thank you so much for subscribing Abby's Tech channel. Anyways, let's talk about the price change occur in the Shiba token. Shiba token is going to the moon, completely going to the moon. Oh my god, it's celebration time friends, it's celebration time. Celebrate, Shiba token is going to the moon and Shiba token make millionaire. As you can see here, the price change, the whole changes, the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week changes, it's going positive. Let's see the price chart for more details. As you can see here, the Shiba token is going a very excited jump from the yesterday. Oh my god, unbelievable jumps occurring this time in the Shiba token. And once again the Shiba token is again taking a jump. Let me show you the jump of the Shiba token once again. As you can see here, at this time the Shiba token take a high jump, but as I told you that a little fast occur in the Shiba token for a little time, as you can see here this time. But now at this time I have surprise news for once again for all of you friends. At this time the Shiba token is again trying to take a high jump. Once again the Shiba token is ready to the moon. Shiba token holders, you are going to the moon. Oh my god, celebrate it. If we look, the price is occurring in the last 1 day, 106.94% occur in the Shiba token and the 24 hours. And if we look, the highest price is 0.0031 USD dollar. Absolutely the Shiba token very fastly moving upward. My prediction for the Shiba token as 0.01 USD dollar. What's your prediction? Please tell me in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video. Click the subscribe button and give this video a great thumbs. Thank you so much.